Get excited about the 2012 Ford Focus. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop in and take a test drive.